Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. If you're facing issues with your D-Link DAP-1755 Wi-Fi range extender, don't worry. Today, I'll guide you through the simple process of resetting it to factory settings. This quick fix can help resolve any connectivity problems. Let's dive into the reset procedure. Resetting the D-Link DAP-1755 Wi-Fi range extender is necessary when you're experiencing connection issues, want to remove incorrect settings, or need to start fresh. It restores the device to its factory settings, allowing for a clean setup and resolving common performance problems. Plug the D-Link DAP-1755 into a power outlet, ensuring it's positioned close to your router for a smooth setup process. Once powered on, the LED light on the extender will start blinking, signaling that it's ready to be configured. Start by locating the reset button on your D-Link DAP-1755. This small, recessed button is typically positioned on the back or bottom of the device. You'll need a paper clip or pin to press it, as it's designed to be pressed carefully. Take a paper clip or pin and press the reset button for approximately 10 seconds. As you do this, you'll see the LED lights on the extender begin to blink, signaling that the reset process has begun and the device is being restored. Keep holding the reset button until the LED lights start flashing, then release the button. The D-Link DAP-1755 will begin the reboot process. This may take about 30 seconds to a minute. Once the LED lights stop blinking and stabilize, the reset is complete. After the reset, your D-Link DAP-1755 will be restored to factory settings. You'll need to reconfigure it like new. Connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network, which is typically called D-Link Extender or similar. Open your web browser and type in the default setup IP address, typically 192.168.0.50. This will bring you to the D-Link setup page where you can follow the on-screen instructions to set up the extender again. If you need help or face any issues, our expert team is ready to assist. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713, and we'll ensure your concerns are addressed promptly. And that's it. Your D-Link DAP-1755 is now reset to factory settings, and you can reconfigure it for use. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.